Hi bestie, welcome to my page. In today's video, I'll be opening up some Happy Meal at the end. So if you love Happy Meal, saving challenges, those type of things, make sure you stay until the end. And then I'm going to do some Christmas in July saving challenges with some dice. So we're going to do some roll and save. So guys, let's get started. Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Miss Frugal, also known as Karen. I am a cash stuffer, budgetary planner. If any of those things interest you, my channel might just be for you guys. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to do Christmas in July saving challenges. I'm utilizing the Christmas budget planners that I've created that are released on Amazon for Christmas in July. And in each of the budget planners, I do have saving challenges available, and I do have Christmas in July saving challenges. So guys, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to utilize dice because I'm going to roll and save. If you're new here, welcome. So glad that you're here with me today. And if you've been here before, welcome back. And thank you so much for being here. So let's go ahead and get started. So hold up, guys. Let me change the adjustment. Okay, there we go. Now we can see all of it. All right. So three again. And this is the money left over from the $50. Man, three again. Alright, so let me get another dice. This dice is a little bit heavier. So let's try this again. Alright, so number 2. And hopefully I get to add something to all of the books. Alright, let's see. I just need 2 more books, the green and the black. Let's go to the pink. Come on now. I still need money for the pink and black. Yeah, guys, so if it rolls out the tray, I'll just re-roll. Okay. It looks like this time the number 3 is getting majority of the money. Alright, so that's it, guys. So I didn't get any money to add to the green or the black this time. I'm just so excited to have this head start to start saving towards Christmas. I have never started this early. So guys, I am excited. Alright, so let's see how much I saved for my purple too. Oh, I had spicy. Alright, so I have $9 for the purple budget planner. It says, in each of the Christmas book, I do have 2 pages that's dedicated towards Christmas in July. So I'm just gonna combine them all together instead of just doing it as one individual challenge. Okay? Okay, so let me get my purple markers. And I do have 2 shades, so which shade should I start? Well, I started off with the dark purple, so let's shade in these 9 spaces here. And I'm in the process of making a minimalist Christmas budget planner. So if you're not into the colors, like the cartoon characters, that will be available soon, guys. And I do have some free Christmas in July saving challenges on Ko-Fi as well. Now, I can't believe that we're halfway through the month of July already. I mean, the 3rd quarter just started. And time is just flying, guys. I can't believe it. Alright, so let's get this Christmas in July. I have to find it because I don't think I used this one. I didn't use this budget planner. the last time. I don't think I did. I can't remember. I don't think I did since I don't have the clip in here. Or maybe I did. Alright, where is the Christmas in July? Let me find, there we go. Okay. So I'll be doing $1 each. And this planner here, guys. Alright, so let me clip this page. And so I save $8. If anyone is doing any collabs in the month of August, I am interested in joining in any future collabs if anyone's having. Let me know in the comments. Oh, sorry guys, correction, here's $1, so I saved $9. Okay? Okay, so let me get my blue marker, and I'm just gonna go ahead and check these off. Okay, so now let's get to my pink Christmas and see how much I saved towards this one. Alright, so I have, $5? So when I first started this challenge last week, I ended up doing this one for $2 each. Okay, so that's the difference between the other ones that I've done already. So let me get my pink marker. And then, so since this one is $2 each, I'm gonna have to shade in half of a circle for this. Alright, so that's it for the saving challenges. Now I have some Happy Mail that I need to open up. So if you're interested in Happy Mail, guys, stay along to the end. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into some Happy Mail. So I have Happy Mail from Drip.E and Simply Tea plans. So if you're interested in supporting both of these shops, I would definitely have their information in the description. Alright, so first I'm opening up Drip.E. And here's her thank you card. Absolutely loving the black, guys. I love the black with the blue. Blue my favorite color too. Alright, so let's open up this binder that I got. Okay, so I end up ordering the red pen case from her for my bling pens. And I got her to add bling pens on the spine here. Alright, so, and this is my first time actually getting the pen case from Drip by E. So let's add all my bling pens that I have to the pen case. Now I decided to get the pen case because one of my scratchers that I have, blank scratchers that I have, the rhinestones are coming off them. So I said before they start coming off of my pens, I said let me get something to store them in. Like I have my Villa Beautiful pens, because I keep my Villa Beautiful pens in Villa Beautiful pen case. So these are all the bling pens I have, and I have room to add more just in case I do get additional bling pens. Because a girl has to protect her pens, and I do not want the rhinestones to come off these pens like it's coming off the scratchers. Okay, so next I have some Happy Mail from Simply Tea. Okay, so I purchased some saving challenges from Simply Tea, their scratch off. And because I'm gonna make a new scratch off binder. Because I did get some other new scratch off recently too. So I'm going to reorganize how I have my scratch off binders. Well, not my scratch off, my saving challenge binders set up. Absolutely loving this pink ribbon with my name in it. I'm definitely going to have to laminate it and place it in my planner. So I got this Budget Babe planner card. So I'm going to add this to, I don't know if I'm going to do my budget planner or binder. Okay, so this ecstatic savings challenge here, and this is the spread the news scratch off challenge here. Excited about the Happy Meal that I received. Support those 2 small businesses, guys. And thank you so much for joining me in my cash stuffing and opening up some Happy Meal that I received. Have an awesome day. Toodles.